I just want to say a tremendous thank you to all of you for being with us today. It is the 6th year that we are organizing this event, and we're delighted to see that it has really become an event that everybody's looking forward to, and we're delighted that we're back in person. So thank you to all of you. I would like to thank all the sponsors of this conference who make it possible. We are very happy to see the great support we get from all the cluster organizations and stakeholders. In particular, I would like to thank, of course, the Cyprus Union of Ship Owners, who have been the lead sponsor of this event every year. As you may remember, we started this event with the guidance of the Cyprus Ship Owners Association as a means of promoting Cyprus and the Cyprus flag. And Polish, thank you very much for the enduring support year after year. And again, thank you to all the sponsors who have contributed and all the organizations. And if you allow me, a great thank you to our chairman. He's the chairman for life. So every year George is here, but let me tell you, every year George is preparing like it is the first time. He is studying, he is preparing, ready to host this event. And George, thank you for being with us. And I will step down. Of course, I'd like to thank Olga, my teammates, for a great job putting this conference together. And I think we are having a bit of a track record here. It is the second time that this conference happens to be the first public appearance of the new Deputy Minister of Shipping. It happened last time with Natasha when she took over. It was the first day, and we are delighted to see this happening again, and we welcome the new Deputy Minister. So delighted and honored to have you with us. And Mr. Chairman for life, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having me here. It's always been an honor. I think it's the 6th year that which I've been chairing this meeting, and I often say, without wanting to be too flattering, I think the Capital Link Conference, especially the gathering we have in Cyprus, is probably one of the best we ever have anywhere, because we have a focal point of everybody thinking out of the box. Everybody tries to do things beyond their comfort zone, and I think, as I've mentioned before, it's informative, it's educational, and it gives all of us the courage, the ability to confront the difficult markets which we're facing, and the geopolitics of the world, which of course is becoming all the more difficult. But once more, I want to thank Olga and Nico for having me. I'd like to thank our Minister for being here. I know all the best. And don't forget, we're all very, very lucky here. So you're starting your venue at a very lucky environment, and a lot of positive energy here. So welcome, and thanks for being with us. That's what I can say more or less for the time being. I'd like to now call to the podium Ms. Elvira Montañez, who wants to introduce the Minister officially. Thank you very much indeed, everybody, and enjoy the day. Thank you.